I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is fast and reliable. On the GoPro, power up and open Preferences, then Connections to select pairing. This puts the camera into discoverable mode. On your iPhone, install or open the GoPro app and enable Bluetooth and location services. The app needs permissions to detect the camera. Make sure both devices are close, within a few feet, and that airplane mode is off. Once done, move to the app to add a new device. The camera should appear. You now complete the pairing inside the GoPro app so the phone controls the camera. Tap Add Camera or Devices, then follow the app prompts. Either scan the QR code shown on the GoPro screen or enter the 6-digit PIN. The app exchanges Bluetooth handshakes and then upgrades to a secure connection. That's why you must grant permissions for Bluetooth and local network. When the app asks, accept notifications and camera control. Once paired, give the camera a name so you can easily recognize it in the future. You finish by verifying the connection and readying the camera for use. Open Live Preview and tap the shutter to confirm remote control works. Switch modes to ensure full control. If the app prompts update the GoPro firmware, updates resolve most connectivity bugs, then restart the camera and re-establish the link. If pairing fails, reset connections on the GoPro or toggle Bluetooth on the iPhone and retry pairing. This clears cached pairings that block new connections. Contact support only after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.